Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu and today I'll present you new features from Salesforce Activity Extension Package. So from UiPath, download the latest version, then you'll go to UiPath Studio. And again, if you have the Go link, you can go here and search for UiPath Team Salesforce Extension Package Activities. And today I will present you two new features. One, we add some non-scope activities. So all the activities that we have until now are working inside of a scope. So basically you drag and drop a scope. Inside of the scope, you'll configure your connection, and then you put inside of the scope all the activities. But sometimes you need to work with the complex workflow like this, with a flowchart, not with a sequence. And you want to drag and drop here on the switch. I want to delete something from Salesforce, or I want to add something from Salesforce. I don't need a scope to create multiple stuff. So to be able to do very fast action to the Salesforce, I create these non-scope activities. So you have an add, delete, update, or get non-scope activity. So you just drag and drop an activity, and here inside of the activity, you'll put your values. For the connection, you select if the server it's a sandbox, production, and all other features, proxy, and so on. Yeah. The idea, the disadvantage with non-scope activity is that you don't have the wizard available. So only if you have a scope activity, you will have the wizard available. And for example, you can select, I want to delete something from account. And the system will put automatically account here. If you don't have the scope available, you'll go and type your account, yeah? Again, for example, if you want to add something, yeah? Because I have a scope with me, I have the wizard available. And here I'm able just to add parameters. So basically I will test everything inside of a scope activity, and then when I will put it on production, I will just put the values here and do exactly what I want. But like I said, I don't carry all the scope and all the stuff. It's a very fast command. Okay, so we have add, delete, update, and get data for SQL, yeah? That will allow you to make a fast deployment and clean workflow. Now, there is another feature that I want to present today. And this feature, it's coming with all the activities. So all the activities now, they have this feature with throw error in case of invalid. So you want to throw error in case of an invalid command or not. So what's the idea? By default, until now, the idea was like this. You run it, and then you will, when you run a command, the system will be able to respond here. So he will give you a response. If the server will do the command, will accept the command and everything is okay, you will receive a valid Boolean variable with a valid connection, and you receive a response here that everything it was okay. If something was bad when the system sent a message to the server, you receive a false here with a valid connection, and on the response you receive the error that is coming back from the server. But a lot of RPA developers, they use the framework from UiPath. Yeah? And in this framework, you'll have a lot of stuff with try catch, finally, and so on. So everything it's inside of a try catch. So what was the request? The request was, okay, when something is going wrong on the server, when you send a comment, can you throw an error outside? Yes. So instead of having just the response here and here, you can select and say, yes, I want this activity to throw an error. So if something is wrong here on add account, the system will throw an error, and the try catch system will catch the error and will take the decision in case of framework. Yeah. So you have this throw error activity possibility on all the activities, on scope and all the 100 activities from here that work with Salesforce service. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye-bye.